mod the skunk2s and probably lower it a little bit, maybe a 1/4 inch, maybe ½ inch. We're gonna try to match the rear and the front. You can see it right now. I'm pretty sure it's either ½ inch or a 1/4 inch lower. Go ahead and do this. You can see. In the front. So, well, we're gonna mod the skunk2s. There's a video on it, but I'll also show you guys what I do. Yep, so it's gotta get this in on this little wood right here. So I can jack it up. So I'll go ahead and jack it up, take the wheel off, do all that good stuff. Take the skunk2 camber off, and yeah, go from there. Alright, I wonder if this will tell me the degree. So, if you look at it, it's like past the line. Oh shit. Yeah, past the line. We'll see how much more it goes in. Right now, it's pretty good amount past the line on the right side up here. Alright, real quick. So right now, this stud was spinning, the lug nut and the stud was spinning at the same time. I could not get this off. So I think there's one more that's doing the same thing, but I was able to get them off just by lowering it and removing it, put some pressure on it. But this one right here, it seems like, so yeah, so this was the only one I was able to get off. No matter what, I use it big impact and everything. So what I did is, so I have extended studs. It might not work for regular studs. I went ahead and just grabbed something I could put over it, and I was just hammering. I was hoping to snap it, but I guess it actually just broke it loose, so I could just spin it out now, which it looks like. And yeah, that's how I did it real quick. Hopefully yours don't come out like this. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out which ones are just horrible that way, because I was gonna do my skunk2s right now, like I said. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this fucking stud and find out which one's the other one that's doing the same thing. Alright, so this is how it is before. So I'm just gonna mod it so that way, so if you look at it, I can flip it to get as much camber. So I'm gonna go ahead and notch this out, so I could get as much camber as I can out of this. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do, notch that out. All we're doing, we don't need to mess with this at all. We're just gonna notch it out. How we can get this down, at least as far as we can. This is what we did. This is how much we shaved off before. Come on this side real quick. Alright, let's go back on the other side now. Compare it. So this is before, and before it was this way. Now come on this side and you can see how farther back it goes. Now let's check this side one more time. So that one, and you go with this guy. You have a big old gap right here.
Just died.
Oh no, I just screw went away. Then look at that, no gap. Right here. So, yep, I'm gonna do the same thing to this one now. Alright, got Sean over here in his stiff ass Subaru. Gonna bait brake. Pretty good. Show you guys real quick. After, I don't know if this is accurate, I did get a little bit more camber out of it. I think before it was more like that, and I got just like maybe a degree or two more. Find out when we go get the alignment, but let's see how it looks. As you can tell. It's a little more sunken in. Fix that two stud, and there's another side I fixed. So hopefully it doesn't mess up no more, because that was kind of scary. But yeah, got these guys all on again. So you get a new set of lug nuts, because this one I destroyed. Alright, they want to lower it, but we'll lower it maybe a different day. Go help him with his car real quick. Damn. Sneak peek. Ooh. So sexy. Guess who came by? Bob, what are you doing? Whoa, dude, that's so sick.
Yeah, you can
if you haven't seen Bob's in the videos, but he got the carbon fiber duckbill from Endless. Fits great. And he picked up this lip.
Duraflex. We expect one piece.
Is it? It's what do you call it? Is it fiberglass, right?
I guess.
Oh yeah, it is fiberglass. So he picked up the fiberglass one. So this weekend, that's what we're doing, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Nice. We'll skip to that. We'll skip to the weekend. It's just a test fit, but I see pretty damn good. Look right here, but you ain't ever gonna see that. Duraflex, that actually fits pretty good.
Yeah.
These fit cool. Front ones are on. Damn, looks so sick with the bronze. Time to do the rear. Front's done and rear. Little poke. Damn.
What up, dude?
What's up?
I threw these on because I'm supposed to get those TLs fucking powder coated.
Selling those? Test fitting these wheels now for her.
Same time.
But I gotta camber it. Real quick. So I'm just getting her camber just a tad bit, just because it rubs a little bit. So she has SPCs, camber kits, and it looks like there was no grease in it. So you pull out the little pin, you'll be able to pop it out and just fill it up with more grease. It'll last a little bit longer. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, then I could just pop it out like that. Pretty cool. So this is how much negative camber she's got now. Yep. Finally was able to clear the lanes. I mean, clean them. So here's the Duraflex one. So I got painted. Little issues with the paint. Can't hardly see. It's like a little wrinkly. This is the silver I shot. This is the style paint. I don't really like using the cheaper stuff, but you know, just, you know, regular Rust-Oleum. You can tell the quality difference in the higher up you go, like issue spray. Even this one feels a little bit decent. This is the clear I actually used. But anyways, so this is the Duraflex fiberglass one. So far as kind of how you wanted it, silver with the gloss black. This black don't really dry too well. It's weird. I would not recommend using it at all, just for like little stuff. It takes forever to dry. I probably put my finger on it still. It might leave a fingerprint. It's so soft, I don't know why. This is what his old lip before. This was the Mugen eBay one. You can see this is what, I didn't do it, but the one he painted himself. And yeah, that's like basically before and after. So this is the Duraflex. Like I said, I keep mentioning it just because I want you to know, because there's no reviews on it. Once he gets here, we're gonna go ahead and see if he's fine with how the black. The only issue really is with the black, really. If he's fine with it, we'll go ahead and show you guys how to slap it on. If not, I'll also show you guys after I fixed it. Let's do like some sanding, use a different style of black paint, and get rid of some of these marks. And then now, you know, I'll continue the video. But yeah, we'll see what his reaction is, and then you'll see me either installing it either way, because I'm gonna skip any type of painting, because you guys see that all the time on my channel. But yeah, go ahead and wait for Bob to come. You've seen him in plenty of videos. All right, so this is Bob's. Say hi to Bob.
Hey, what's up, YouTube subscribers?
So I'm gonna show you how it fits real quick. So it fits pretty good. Good. Right here, you know, it's not perfectly straight, but it fits pretty snug. Like, you can't even tell, really. You know? Right here fits pretty good too. There's more double-sided tape. I'll probably line it up just quite a little bit better. This one could probably go up a little bit more. Oh, there it goes. There, so that one's now pushed up. That actually fits pretty good. For the Duraflex, you know, you're gonna have your little imperfections here and there, but this one fits pretty damn good.
Yeah, it is.
How much you pay for this?
I paid like, it looks like $280 around there.
And where you get it at?
It's called Driven by Life or something.
That's the website?
Yeah, website.
He'll send me the link and I'll put it in the description.
I think you'll link to it.
But let's see, let's get a, let's see what. Looks pretty damn
I
good.
could have got carbon fiber. Maybe. Carbon's like around $400 finder.
Up close at the body line. This one, pretty good. This one went a little bit over the body line, but I won't be able to tell. Durability, we'll find out maybe in the next couple weeks how good it stands up to scrapes. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good actually for a Duraflex lip. That's dope. Alright, let's make sure he doesn't destroy it on the way out. Alright, now go straight. There you go. Turn. Ooh, yeah, you cleared it. See you. Damn, clean that shot of your car. All right, so What do you tell the subscribers?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
Days. She said she wanted me, to her I can't relate, but I'd be lying if I told you I ain't felt the same. She wanna catch a vibe, I'm pulling up late night. She wanna ride or die, I want her for the night. The realness in my eyes, she read between the lines. We started vibing, baby girl, tell me about your life. We started vibing, I was steady rolling back her eyes. My boy really after Doug and said fuck 9 to 5. I checked the news, I was worried that my brother died. She want a foreign, baby, is you ready for the ride?